Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to connect Zoho Mail to Shopify domain. So guys, go to the search for Zapier, this app. As you can see here guys, Zapier, and download this app guys. You should make sure download this app and click install, connect your Shopify. After connect your Shopify guys, click what you have to do, click Shopify here, make sure connect your account with Shopify from here, sign up your account with Shopify and write your domain of Shopify from here. After that guys, click on this plus icon and click on the search Zoho Mail, click this one guys, and then click account on Zoho, sign up from here from Zoho and from here with Shopify, and then you will link it with your Zoho Mail. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give a like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.